Hey guys, this is my 2013 custom bike check. Start off with the grips. I got ODI Super Softs in black, ODI bar ends white, Shadow local bars 8.5 wide, or 8.5 high, sorry, 28 wide. Shadow Revenger top load stem polished. Premium headset. Got Fit Shiv 2 forks black. Got a profile race front hub polished. I got Eastern Peg Learning Hang 5s. Got the Hazard Light hoop black, Sapin spokes 14 gauge. Got a Chase Hawk 2.20 tire. Let's go to the pedals. I got Shadow Revenger alloy unsealed pedals. Just got those today with the bars. Got Tree Light sprocket 25 tooth polished. I got Shadow bottom bracket. I don't know if you can see that. I'm running like KMC Cool Chain. It's polished in black. I got a polished Shadow seat post. I got the Ben Hook signature fat Shadow seat. Got a Odyssey 2.20 tire. I got the Nitrous Eastern back wheel. It's holding up pretty good. Yeah, 2.20 back tire. For my frame, I'm running a Fit Benny signature powder coated flat white. And yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, thanks.